What's going on YouTube? CoinCapital here, and today I'm going to be talking about a stock that I'm very bullish on. I actually just bought a few shares recently, but before I get into this, remember I am not a financial advisor, so this is for entertainment purposes only. Make sure to trade at your own risk. Anyways, I'm going to be talking about Corsair Gaming, a company that I really like, and this is going to be a great gaming play and tech play. They're in the technology sectors within the computer hardware industry, and I don't know, I just really like this company, and I like what I see here, and I think it's a great long-term play, especially when looking at the stock. But if you don't know, Corsair Gaming, they have subsidiaries, but they design, market, and distribute gaming and streaming peripherals, components, and systems, so like computer systems, USB microphones, accessories. They have their Epoch Cam software. They also have, different gaming components for power supply units, cooling solutions, computer cases, DRAM modules, basically anything within the custom built PC gaming, and they also do some other things there, and they're really a go-to for a lot of people when building their own computers, which is very cool. Definitely a unique company. I really like them, but looking at current share price, we're seeing at around $35 a share. Pretty bullish for the outlook in the short term and midterm, especially long term, but I'm gonna get more into the short term. It's a great stock. The target estimate, what you're seeing across the board, is anywhere from about $45 to $60. I'll put it at around $55 a share by the end of the year. Not super great, but I think it's a very safe stock. It's a lot less volatile than a lot of these other stocks, and they IPO'd in September of 2020 at around $20 a share, like 15, and now they're at 35. So some pretty organic growth. I mean, if you look here for pretty recent standings for the third quarter of 2020 in their financial highlights, you can see their net revenue growth of 60% to $471 million, and adjusted EBITDA growth of 184%, which is pretty extreme, to $63 million. This was, it says, driven by strong demand across all of our product lines as consumers spend more time working and gaming at home, especially in a COVID environment. But their gross margin of 28% is very good, and that's an increase of 680 basis points. That's driven by a product mix and lower promotional activity, and their adjusted operating income growth of 193% to $61.4 million, and that's because of sales leverage. And their cash flow from operations is at $25 million, and you can see right here with this little chart slide here, which is pretty good. That's definitely something to look out for. Really impressive here. That's also why I really like this stock. This is pretty good recent performance as well. We're gonna have to see how it goes this year in 2021. We want more steps, we want more growth, and we want continued growth. We can't always expect insane growth, but we want sustainable growth. That's very important. That's what you want to see there. But I'm definitely looking sustainable right now, and that's why I think it's undervalued as well. Also, right here is something you really want to look out for: the debt summary. After the successful IPO in September of 2020, they raised net proceeds of $118 million. They repaid $86 million of outstanding debt from IPO proceeds, and this was during Q3 of 2020, and additional $40 million prior to IPO from their operating cash flow. This puts them at a strong position with $116.2 million of cash and a $48 million of available capacity under their revolver. If you look here, that's also very good there. Their total debt LTM adjusted EBITDA 2.2%, and their net debt 1.5x. So that's definitely great to look out for right there. Goldman Sachs put the repeating rating at a neutral for now, but the predicted price from Goldman is $44 based on their research for 2021 at the end of year. And another person, as I said, this PT's as high as 60, but just a great stock to look into. I really like what they do here, and I just think it's a very undervalued stock. But other than that, it's a pretty quick video just going over the stock and why I think it's great. But I definitely check it out. Be careful when buying stocks. Obviously, it can be risky, but I think this is a not as risky stock. The market cap is at $3.1 billion, which you know, it goes with the undervalued classification here. Not a super big cap, pretty good share price, great entry point around here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, follow, comment, and subscribe. Check out my TikTok and my Instagram, both at coincapital. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.